Poetry, Shairi, can easily be considered Urdu's brand ambassador, outside of its own circle of speakers. Mir, Ghalib, Daagh, Iqbal, Faiz, Parveen Shakir, and many more poets and writers are read in Urdu and in translation throughout the world. You can hear Urdu poetry recited in the Indian Parliament, in the Supreme Court, and of course in mushairas in India and in diaspora communities in the Gulf, North America, Europe, and Australia. But not many people know about the Urdu language itself that has produced such captivating masterpieces. Do you know how Urdu emerged and how it developed a unique identity from other South Asian languages? Why are many Urdu words different from other languages? How is Urdu different from Hindi? What are the unique sounds of Urdu? How are Urdu words actually created? Are Urdu words also used by non-Urdu speakers? Should Urdu be written in Devanagari and Roman scripts? What is so unique about Urdu script? If you wonder about these questions, all of them, or some of them, then you have come to the right place. With training in linguistics from the University of Michigan in the USA, and over 20 years of experience of teaching and research on Urdu, I have designed this course for ordinary lovers of Urdu, those who would like to explore the beauty of their love a little more. Come and join me on this wonderful expedition. Welcome to Rekhta Learning.